All right, let's simplify this, okay, together. Now we are given this minus that, okay. All right, so let's observe this well. Now from here we can write this one as 6 times 2 times x with x raised 8 minus 2 8 times x raised 8 on 8 times x raised 8. So when you are given x raised 8, it's the same as x to the power 8 times half. So this one x to the power 4. Okay, so we have 6 times x to the power 4 minus 2. So we have 2 for 8. So 8. This side would be 4 times 2 times x to the power 4. So we have 4 times 2 times x to the power 4. So we have this x to the power 4 minus 4, 2 times 2, x to the power 4. So we have 2 with 2x to the power 4. Okay, so let's observe this one well. Okay, so we have root 2x to the power 4. So we have 2x to the power 4. Let's pick it out. So I will left with 6 minus 4. And we have root 2x to the power 4 times 2. So this one will cancel. I will left with 6 minus 4 on 2. So 6 minus 4 is 2. 2 over 2 is 1. As simple as that. All right.